Second half action now. Lorne Donaldson has been confirmed as the head coach of the senior Reggae Girlz heading into the CONCACAF Women's World Cup qualifiers final round, which starts in Mexico on July 4.
The wait is now over as to who will guide the Reggae Girlz into the CONCACAF final round of World Cup qualification in Mexico following the resignation of Vin Blaine in May. Former assistant coach Lorne Donaldson will be charting the way for successive World Cup appearances, and he already knows the task at hand after accepting the offer from the federation.
I spoke with the president this morning, and just tell him that I've accepted that I will come out and try to work with the girls and just see what we can get out of this tournament. I think it will be positive. I think the girls are eager to go. So obviously it's late.
The call might come at the 11th hour for Donaldson, but for progress to be made, he believes everything has to be on a speed dial from here leading up to the tournament.
It's late. Obviously, we all know it's late, but I think with some of the girls with some experience, fitness is going to be the main concern, so we have to make sure that everybody comes in fit.
But there's one distracting element for Donaldson at this point that needs urgent attention.
I have another conversation with the president and his staff later, because we have to sort. That's going to be important. The backroom staff is going to be very, very. That's going to be the most crucial thing. You got to get a staff who understand, where we're at right now and who can work efficiently and collective together to bring this group together. I mean, it has to be done ASAP.
The Reggae Girlz are drawn against the United States, host Mexico and Haiti, and already one team has started their acclimatization.
I know the USA is training in altitude, Colorado and Salt Lake, and that's the most experienced team in the world. So if they're training at altitude, you have to look at something and just try to find a place where there's a little altitude that you can get a good, training in. And the setup has to be good. You got to find a place where you can also, as I say, get a scrimmage or play a few practice games in the meantime to look at certain things.
Donaldson is the president and head coach of Real Colorado women's team that has 3 women on the U.S. women's national team. The Reggae Girlz open against Mexico on July 4 before facing the United States and Haiti. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.